Okay, so my name is Sabbyasachi. I have just finished my A-levels this past May from Messafix Green Hill International School. I am going to Monash University. It's a university in Clayton, Melbourne, and I'll be studying Bachelor of Medical Science and Doctor of Medicine. Well, as for why this subject, I think I've always had a fascination towards medicine and helping people in general. So it was pretty much a no-brainer as to why I would want to become a doctor. And as for why Monash itself, I think I have heard a lot about this university ever since I've had the thought about going abroad to study. And the reputation of the medical faculty at Monash, it certainly precedes itself. It needs no introduction. The research opportunities in this great institution, it's really second to none. And more importantly, its way of introducing students to rural programs is also quite unique, and it just makes it so that every graduate from Monash has a holistic understanding of medicine and ultimately becomes a great doctor. My primary mission after I finish my degree at Monash would be to come back to Bangladesh and try to establish basically a culture of research here. Monash is one of the best universities in the world. It has one of the best medical faculties in the world. And more importantly, it gives its students the opportunity to conduct medical research with some of the best researchers. And getting that opportunity is genuinely a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You get to have the knowledge, then implement it to broaden the horizon of the existing medical literature. This is an opportunity that very few people in the world have. More importantly, I think my goal as a physician researcher would be to establish a culture of research here in Bangladesh, which just doesn't exist as of right now. As a high school student, I did not get ample amount of opportunities to conduct research here. And I want to be able to establish a culture where students like me basically get to explore their love of research, and in doing so, help contribute to the existing medical literature here in Bangladesh. Well, medicine has a notorious rep for being a very difficult subject to get into, and I wouldn't discourage anyone from pursuing it, but the reputation it has certainly is appropriate. Medicine at Monash is considerably more difficult to get into compared to its other courses. You have to sit for the ISAT, you also have to sit for the MMIs, the multiple mini interviews, both of which have very little information available online, but you have to extensively conduct your own research and prepare for them to the best of your abilities. These aren't easy, but again, if you trust your gut, if you trust your instincts, you will make it through. It's not easy again, but if you are dedicated, you will certainly make it. At the end of the day, the only thing you have is your own gut to trust. So I wish you all the very best of luck. Well, I think nothing really beats good word of mouth, and many students from my school, siblings of my close friends, have gone to Australia with the help of executive study abroad, and the word of mouth of people you trust just can't be beaten. And many agencies, many institutions may run many ads, but then again, if someone you trust says, go through executive study abroad, you just have to trust their word. And people trust this agency for a reason. Their service has been nothing but spectacular. When I came into this agency for the first time, the counselor I was appointed to, they have been excellent, actually. They have helped me through every nook and cranny of this complicated process. They have given me hope even when I have felt hopeless. They have given me a lot of support throughout the visa process as well. The Australian visa process, it's not easy. It's a very complicated process, and to be able to guide a student through it, it is a very difficult thing, and executive study abroad has done it quite well. It has helped me to go through the process as smoothly as possible, and here I am now. I would recommend you to every single one of my friends and family. Thank you.